Heavy rains and strong winds have left a trail of destruction in local municipalities under the Amathole District Municipality in the Eastern Cape. The affected municipalities include Amahlathi, Ngqushwa and Raymond, Mhlaba. There are also reports of damage in parts of the Buffalo City Metro. Amathole District Municipality says that preliminary damage assessments are currently underway in the affected areas. The municipality has further revealed that there are no fatalities reported at this stage. Officials say that non-governmental organizations are also on standby to provide humanitarian assistance.